have a faith that we don't have. Children believe everything that you say. So my son took Jada and Fortune and put them in a huddle. And I said, what is Papa over here doing? And Jada said, he said, we need to pray because apparently we can't leave until the Lord bless you. He got a Fortnite game. There's a competition on Saturday. He has to get back home. And he said, until you get blessed, he can't go nowhere. So he's letting us know we need to give it all we got tonight. I was watching Pop in a 12-hour prayer because I brought my son. Some of y'all, the thing is, you keep asking me, can my kids come to service? Because your kids need to be the first person in service. Because on TikTok, they're teaching them witchcraft. Because on TikTok, they're teaching them rituals. Because on TikTok, they're teaching them spell books. Because the creator of Harry Potter has a school for your children. Because we all know that if you build strong children, you don't have to take time repairing broken men. So they said, instead of getting you while you're older, I'm going to get your children while they're young.